Hey guys, it's Angel Barber back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a drop fade tutorial and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step today. First we start off with our number 2 guard and we begin to debulk the sides. As you see, I'm feeding the hair into my clipper, and I do this because you want to have a nice canvas to work with so you have a nice transition of a fade. You want to make sure you're flicking out just so that when it's time to blend you don't have trouble taking out that number 2 line into the bulk. Then with our lever open, we're going to create about an inch of a guideline, and as you go more towards the back of the head, you want to begin to drop that line to contour the shape of his head. Keep in mind guys that I'm still flicking out to avoid any harsh guidelines, and the more you flick out the easier it'll be to blend those guidelines and you'll have a nice clean transition. Then with our Babyliss liners, we're going to begin to create our bald line. I'm balding out just enough so that my half guide is just about an inch. Then we begin to knock down that line with our lever closed using the corner of our blade. And if you have to, you might have to play with that lever just so you can get those dark spots out of the way. Then we continue with our number 1 guard open, and again creating about an inch of a guideline. As you see, the fade is not even done yet, and slowly but surely the fade is coming in. Then we grab our shavers and we begin to just shave what we balled out, just so you can take out those stubbles and have a nice clean transition. Then with our half guard closed, we're going to begin to take out that number 1 guideline out, and again we're flicking out and using the corner of our blade. Guys, holding down that ear really helps a lot with blending, especially with these tight fades. Then with our number 2 guard again, we're going to go up in and just clean up that line we did and soften up that line. here we're just detailing, you know, any little dark spots we see. We're gonna take them out. And of course, what you do to one side, we do to the other. So I'm just going to let this speed up and let you guys watch. I want to say thank you guys for the love you guys been showing me, whether it's you guys subscribed, whether you guys shared, comment, and thank you guys for the feedback as well. It's not easy making these videos, but I know you guys enjoy them, so I'm going to keep on pushing and try my best to drop at least 2 videos per week, whether it's a vlog or a tutorial. I'm going to try to have at least one Saturday and one Monday. And yes, thank you guys again for the support, for all the love you guys been showing me with these YouTube videos. I did not expect to hit 500 views on my last haircut tutorial. And yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see next. Give me some ideas, give me some tips if any other YouTubers out here watching. Just, you know, we're out here to grow. 2025 is just another year, and we just gotta keep bettering ourselves as a person and anything in general, you know, anything that helps you develop, whether it's gym, whether it's reading a book, whether it's, you know, the mind, your body, and your soul is what matters. And yeah, this just goes for everyone in general, you know. You don't have to be a barber, you don't have to be, you know, anything big, just in general, you know. Just, you gotta do your best for yourself, because at the end of the day, you come here for yourself and you die by yourself. So might as well do the most and try your best every day. But yes, 2025 is going to be a great year. It's already a great year, you know, and we can't complain because we're alive. Doesn't mean take advantage and do not try your best. You definitely should try your best every day and just be consistent, whatever you do, you know. It'll definitely help a lot, and why wouldn't you try your best, you know? That's all you got. So follow me along this journey, and let's all grow together and help each other out. But now we begin to do the C cups, and you see we brush down first to get any little hairs that are sticking out, and you want to keep this nice and natural. So first we start off at the corner, and then we begin to slowly tap and go and create that nice C cup. Key factor for the C cups is using just the corner of your blade, and you want to treat it like a pencil. And there you guys have it, guys, the drop fade tutorial. Guys, just look at that blend. You'll achieve this blend just like how I said, by using the corner of your blade and also flicking out. But if you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share. And with these simple steps, you will achieve the drop fade. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.